Welcome to Crypto Insider USA. Buckle up, crypto warriors. This weekend might have rattled your portfolio harder than a roller coaster on Mars, but don't panic. Bitcoin just pulled off an epic comeback. After plunging from its cosmic highs of $111,000 to a gut-wrenching low of $186,000, Bitcoin is back with a vengeance, reclaiming the 110K level like a phoenix rising from the blockchain ashes. And that's not all. Cardano and Dogecoin just stole the show, leading a massive uptick in crypto majors that has traders buzzing with optimism. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happened, why it happened, and most importantly, what's coming next. Could this be the start of another bull run? Or are we in for another trap set by institutional players under the cover of midnight? Stick around, because we've got charts, opinions, on-chain data, whale moves, and some seriously spicy options flows to discuss. Let's decode the madness and the magic of the markets. Saturday morning looked calm, until President Trump dropped the bomb. A sudden threat of 50% tariffs on European imports, including Apple's precious iPhones made abroad. The result? Chaos. Bitcoin slid from over $111,000 to $108,600 within hours, triggering $500 million in long liquidations. Altcoins wiped out. The mood? Pure fear. Cardano's ADA, Solana's SOL, Dogecoin, and even Ethereum weren't spared. All saw sharp declines, with futures markets feeling the burn. But as fast as the storm hit, it began to clear. On Sunday night, Trump extended the tariff deadline to July 9th, easing market fears. Global index futures rallied, the dollar weakened, and safe haven demand like gold cooled, opening the door for a crypto recovery. Bitcoin didn't just stabilize, it bounced hard, climbing back to $109,655 and just inches away from the 110K psychological line. So what happened? Why the comeback? Tariff delay, market relief. With tensions temporarily cooled, risk assets surged. Option markets turned bullish. Traders swept up 1,000 contracts of the 130K BTC call for September. Someone is betting big on a major upside. ETF inflows continue. Institutional money hasn't stopped. Strategy's $2.1 billion BTC fundraise shows confidence. On-chain strength, wallet growth, miner activity, and dormant coins moving, all pointing bullish. We're not out of the woods yet, but the indicators are lighting up green. While Bitcoin was the comeback king, the real scene stealers were Cardano and Dogecoin. ADA jumped 3% in 24 hours. Doge followed suit. Why? ADA's catalyst: renewed interest in Cardano-based DeFi projects and strong wallet accumulation. Doge's pop: Elon Musk. Possibly, more likely, increased speculative flows after the dip. Retail loves a cheap thrill. What's even more fascinating is the correlation here. ADA and Doge outperforming while ETH and SOL lag slightly. It's a reminder, in crypto, underdogs often get their day. All right, pause for a second. Do you think Doge wakes up in the morning and says, "It's meme time, baby," before mooning out of nowhere? Or does it just bark at the moon until Elon tweets again? Let us know in the comments below what you think Doge's secret power is. Memes, madness, or market manipulation? Let's go underwater for a moment. The whales are swimming again. QCP Capital's weekend report revealed big topside exposure plays. 1,000 September 130K BTC call options swept up in a day. That's millions of dollars betting on Bitcoin hitting six figures again by fall. Meanwhile, exchange wallets are seeing outflows, a bullish sign, and addresses holding 100 to 1,000 BTC have begun reaccumulating after the drop. The bottom line? The big fish aren't scared. They're shopping the dip while the minnows panic sell. Part 6. What this means for the broader market. This rebound isn't just a blip. It's part of a larger macro narrative. ETF flows, BlackRock, Fidelity, and Grayscale ETFs continue showing net inflows. Regulatory clarity. The US is finally progressing toward clearer crypto regulation. Retail reentry. Google trends for buy Bitcoin surged 23% since Sunday night. Altcoin season. Tease. With ADA and Doge leading, traders are whispering. Is it alt season? From a charting perspective, the picture is cautiously optimistic. BTC support. Strong rebound from $108,600 shows this is a key support zone. Resistance levels. 110K cleared again. Next target is 112.5K and 114.8K. RSI recovery. Daily RSI back above 53, signaling bullish momentum. Volume surge. Buying volume outpaced selling in the last 24 hours. Altcoins also showing early signs of breakout patterns. Keep an eye on ADA breaking 0.79 and Doge approaching 0.18. Part 8. Sentiment Tracker. Fear and Greed Index turns. Crypto. Fear and Greed Index dipped to 38, fear, during the weekend, but has now rebounded to 54, back in neutral. This tells us panic was temporary. Confidence is returning. Retail and institutional sentiment are aligning. So what are we looking at now? Short term, expect volatility to remain as macro headlines continue. Watch Trump's EU deadline, July 9th, and Fed commentary. Midterm. If BTC holds above 110K and ETF inflows persist, we could see a push toward 115K, 120K. Altcoins, ADA, Doge, and even Link, XRP, and AVAX may see speculative rotations if BTC consolidates. Crypto is emotional, chaotic, and yet full of opportunities. What this weekend taught us is simple. Don't overreact to macro news without context. Whales love panic. They feed on fear. Meme coins are here to stay, whether we like it or not. And every dip is a potential setup for the next leg, up. If you survive this weekend's crypto whiplash and still believe in the long-term power of Bitcoin, ADA, Doge, and beyond, then smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Insider USA, and ring the bell so you never miss the next crypto. Plot twist, drop a comment. Are you buying, selling, or just chilling? And what do you think Bitcoin hits first? 120K or another crash to 100K? And with that, we'll meet again next news, same channel, same time. This is Crypto Insider USA, signing off with profits in mind and moon missions in sight.